So, hello, respective audience. I'm very much excited here to announce our upcoming webinar on HAZID, that is hazard identification, which is scheduled for 28th of November 2026. And with us today is our expert trainer, Mr. Yashpal Singh. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
So let's start. My first question uh, to you is that why is hazard identification is such a critical part of process safety?
Yeah, that's a good question. Actually, in two way I can explain that the benefit of this hazard process.
Mhm.
Actually, hazard basically we do it's in the initial stage of the project. So initial hazard identification, that is the first objective. Second, we can use in other HSC studies also. So like in QRA or preparing the risk registration. So in two ways, this is beneficial to us.
Yeah, okay. And sir, what can attendees expect to learn during this webinar?
So we will actually discuss the methodology, basically brainstorming techniques, which are the guidewords we need to use because there are different types of project like construction, non-process, process type of the project. So in both
Mhm.
type of projects, what the guidewords we should use, what is the hazard categorization, risk training approach, team participation, practical application throughout the project and operational life cycle.
Nice, nice, sir. And sir, is hazard only useful for new projects?
See, if you see the definition, so it is basically required for identifying the hazard. So, of course, for new project, it is also useful, but in the operations also, suppose we want to identify the hazard, so then we can use as a refreshing technique.
Okay. Yeah. And sir, for our audience, like who should really attend this webinar?
Yeah. So basically, as I said, that it's in the beginning of the project. So of course, project team like project engineers, process safety management engineer, PSM engineer, all the other engineers related to the project. They then in the operations also, safety professionals, operational personnel, consultant, project managers, and anyone involved in identifying and managing the workplace and processes.
Nice, nice, sir. And sir, according to you, like what will be the biggest takeaway for the participants?
So as I said, that it's a beginning of many studies like BOTAI, your QRA, your risk register. So particularly learn how to systematically identify the hazard at an early stage, enabling safer and more informed and cost-effective decisions for the later part of the project.
Nice, nice, sir. That sounds very valuable. Any final message that you would like to give to our audience, sir?
Yeah, because it's a beginning of the project, we do the hazard. So if you want to strengthen your understanding of the risk identification and improve safety within the organization, so this webinar is a great opportunity to learn the practical and proven hazard techniques.
Wonderful, sir. Very wonderful. So, audience, please join us on November 28th, November 2026 for this hazard identification webinar with our expert trainer, Mr. Yashpal Singh. Register now, book your seats. See you there, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. See you there.
Yeah.